Good morning students. Today we will study class 7 chapter number 4 exercise 4b. In our last class we have completed up to exercise 4b question number 5th. Now today we will study question number 6. The question number 6 is given here. Arrange the following rational number in descending order. You have to arrange the following rational numbers in descending order. The number are given. First one is minus 2 upon 5. After that 7 upon minus 10. After that minus 11 upon 15. After that it is 17 upon minus 30. First of all you have to do in this question, the numerator those are given in negative, you have to change them in positive. Okay, जो भी न्यूमरेटर आपको नेगेटिव दे रखे हैं आप इनको पहले पॉजिटिव में चेंज करेंगे. इट इज माइनस 2 अपॉन 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. ओके, it is minus 2 upon 5. After that 7 upon minus 10 is given here. 7 upon minus 10 multiply by minus 1 multiply by minus 1. So it is minus 7 upon 10 only. Minus and minus plus. Third one would be minus 11 upon 15. Third one आपका हो जाएगा minus 11 upon 15. And after that last one is 17 upon minus 30 is given, multiply by minus 1 multiply by minus 1. It is minus 17 upon minus 30. So the numbers are minus 2 upon 5, minus 7 upon 10, minus 11 upon 15 and minus 17 upon 30. It is in positive, not in negative. Okay, you have to take the LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 30. आपको 5, 10, 15 and 30 का LCM लेना है. 5, 10, 15 and 30. You have to take the LCM. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 6 the 30. Now by 3, 1, 2, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. Now by 2, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Now calculate this. 5 multiply by 3 multiply by 2. 5 3 the 15, 15 2 the 30. Your LCM is 30. Now what you have to do in this question, LCM is LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 30 equals to 30. आपका इन चारों का LCM आया है 30. अब आपको क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में, you have to arrange these number according to your given question. First of all what you have to do, you have to multiply minus 2 upon 5 multiply by 6. ओके, वाई? बिकॉज एलसीएम इज 30 और जब डिनोमिनेटर आपका लास्ट एलसीएम 30 आया तो आपको डिनोमिनेटर में 30 ही चाहिए. 6 2 जा 12 minus 12, 6 5 जा 30. ओके, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट वन. 6 5 जा 30. सेकेंड इज गिवन minus 7 upon 10. So it is minus 7 into 3 upon 10 into 3. It would be 7 3s are 21 minus 21 upon 10 3s are 30. Now third one is minus 11 upon 15 multiply 15 1 the 15, 15 to the 30. It means that multiply by 2. Minus 22 upon 15 to the 30. Last one is given you minus 17 upon 30. Multiply 1 and 1. It would be minus 17 upon 30. Okay, the first one is minus 12 upon 30. Second one is minus 21 upon 30. Third one is 22 upon 30 minus, and last one is your minus 17 upon 30. This is your answer and you can arrange this in a descending order. It means that descending first of all we have discussed about ascending order. Now in this we have to arrange this in descending order. The denominator is same, only the difference is you have to change the numerator not denominator. Denominator is 30 here. So according to question answer would be, answer क्या होगा क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग? 2 upon 5. आंसर would be minus 2 upon 5. Sign greater than, it is minus 2 upon 5. 19 upon 30. 19 upon 30. After that 7 upon 10. after that minus 11 upon 15. Okay, it is not 19, it is 17 upon 30. 17 upon minus 2 upon 5 greater than 17 upon 30, after that 7 upon 10, after that 11 upon 15. This is your answer. Same you have to do. After that our next question is given. The next you have to do question number 6. I am mentioning here the homework. Homework is question number 6, part 2 to, there are only 4 questions, 2 to 4. Okay, you have to do it. After that question number 7, use your true false, you have to do by your own. Question number 7 I am mentioning here. Now the next question is question number 8. Find 5 rational number between minus 3 and minus 2. Question number 8 is given. Find 5 rational number between minus 3 and minus 2. You have to find. आपको 5 रैशनल नंबर इस क्वेश्चन में ऐसे ढूंढने हैं जो कि माइनस 3 और माइनस 2 के बीच में आते हो. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सॉल्यूशन इज टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ माइनस 3 एंड माइनस 2. ओके, एलसीएम लेंगे पहले आप 3 एंड 2 का. 3 1 3, 1 2 and 2 1 2. एलसीएम इज 3 and 2. एलसीएम आएगा आपका 6. ओके, अब आपको क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में. माइनस 3 upon 1 multiply by 6. Same you have to do. Minus 2 into 6 upon 1 into 6. 1 you have to put by your own. 6 3s are 18 upon 6. After 6 2s are 12. Minus 12 upon 6. You have to put rational number between these two. 18 और 12 के बीच में जितने भी नंबर आते हैं, 18 और 12 के बीच में जितने भी आपके नंबर आएंगे, इट मींस दैट माइनस 17 अपॉन 6, माइनस 16 अपॉन 6, माइनस 15 अपॉन 6, माइनस 14 अपॉन 6 एंड माइनस 13 अपॉन 6. 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 rational number. In question we have to find only 5 rational number between minus 3 and minus 2. Answer is this. Minus 17 upon 6, 16 upon 6, 15 upon 6, 14 upon 6, 13 upon 6, and we have to put the minus sign between this. These are 5 rational number between minus 3 and minus 2. Same you have to do question number 9 and question number 10. Your exercise is completed. Now we will discuss our next exercise, and our next exercise is exercise 4C. Okay, exercise 4C. 4C exercise. Question number 1. The question number 1 is given here. Question number 1 in exercise 4C is given here. Add the following. You have to do addition. The number 1 is given 12 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. Okay, you have to add these two rational number, or you can say fraction. So you have to take LCM of 7 and 7. 7 and 7 LCM would be 7. Now 7 divide this. 7 1 the 7. It means that 1 into 12 plus ऐड करना है हमें, तो हमने यहाँ पे प्लस साइन लगा. 7 into 7, 1 into 3. 12 1 12, 3 1 3 upon 7. 12 plus 3, it be 12 plus 3 equals to 15. 15 upon 7 is your answer. This one. Okay, you have to do exercise 4C. Exercise 4C. Question number 1, part 2 to 8. 2 to 8. You have to do by your own. They are very easy question. You have to take only LCM and you have to solve it. Now come to our second question. The second question is given to you. Add the following rational number. Same it is. Question number second is same. Add. You have to add the rational number. The first one is given here minus 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. You have to take LCM of 5 and 4. LCM लेना है आपको 5 और 4 का. 5 1 जा 5, 4 1 जा 4. 1 2 2 and 1. 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2. Now multiply these three. 5 into 2 into 2. 5 2 जा 10, 10 2 जा 20. It means that 5 और 4 का जब आप LCM लेंगे तो LCM आया है 20. 20. अब क्या करना है? You have to speak the table of 5. 5 के टेबल में 20 कितनी टाइम्स में आता है? How many times does 20 come in the table of 5? 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 2 15, 5 4 that 20. You have to write here 4. Multiply minus 2. It is given here add then plus. Okay. After that 4 5 the 20. You have to write here 5 multiply by 3. 4 to the 8 minus 8 plus 5 3 the 15 upon 20. Okay. 4 to the 8, 5 3 the 15. This one is clear. After that 15 plus minus 8 plus 15. 15 में से 8 को आप माइनस प्लस माइनस माइनस 15 में से 8 माइनस करेंगे, आएगा आपका 7 upon 20. It would be in positive because the positive integer is bigger than in comparison of negative. minus 8 छोटा है 15 से, तो इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पे प्लस का 7 upon 20 आया है आंसर, प्लस का 7 लगाया है. ओके, दिस वन इज क्लियर. यू हैव टू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड. Question number second part, second to 8. Second to 8. You have to do this question of exercise 4C. Question number 1 and question number 2. Now after that our third question. Our third question is given here. In this exercise our third question is given evaluate. Question number third is given evaluate minus 3 upon 5 plus 7 upon 5 plus minus 1 upon 5. Same process you have to do. You have to take the LCM of this. LCM of 5, it would be 5. 5 1 ja 5, 1 into minus 3 plus 1 into 7 plus 1 into minus 1. 3 1 ja 3 minus 3 plus 7 1 ja 7 plus 1 1 ja 1 minus 1. Minus 3 and minus 1. Minus and minus plus 3 and 1 would be 4. Minus 4 plus 7 upon 5. Okay. Minus 4 plus 7 upon 5 plus minus minus, it would be your answer would be 3 upon 5 in positive because my plus 7 is bigger in comparison of minus 4. Okay. In this question number third part, second to 6, you have to do by your own. I have explained this. In our next class we will discuss question number 4 and question number 5 and our exercise would be complete. Thank you and have a nice day.